is often referred to as meditation in movement. But are they one and the same thing? Or is meditation no more intrinsically linked to Tai Chi than that of full contact sparring? Tossing the yarrow stalks or ironing your satin suit? Find out today on Talking Tai Chi with the Teapot Monk. It has been said that all forms of martial exercise are mere tools to enable great meditation. And in the classic I Ching, hexagram 5 is constructed from the character of a person sitting in the meditation position. And in chapter 10 of the Tao Te Ching, Lao Tzu describes the process of quietly concentrating on developing awareness, becoming one. Certainly all forms of meditation aim to train one's attention and awareness, to bring about greater clarity or tranquility, unity or mindfulness, as it is known in some disciplines. But in Tai Chi, who knows? It all depends on who you ask.
Bravo!
Meditation in movement has become almost synonymous with the name of the art, the external expression of the art, seen through the eyes of a form practitioner. The focus on pace, slow movements, coordination of breath and posture, and the gentleness and circularity can create almost a meditative state in which other concerns, worries, or anxieties are pushed firmly to the background. But meditation, like all forms of awareness training, can be difficult, for after you begin, your concentration will wane. You'll find yourself distracted, and you will at times drift off towards other solar systems. Just remember to come back. Bring your attention back to what you are doing. Focus on something simple, like the flowing turns of your wrist and the hand in the air, like the shifting of your body weight as it follows the waist or the circularity of the breath, and how it all connects with the movements as they flow from one to another. Or simply focus on the nicely, freshly ironed creases in your Sifu's satin suit. Use whatever helps you come back to the here and now. But don't think of this as something one engages with in just the form either. This process of meditation begins the moment you step into a class. For uniquely in the practice of Tai Chi, the benefits of tranquility arise from both the long-term aims and the moment-by-moment practice. It is both a means and an end. So when you step into the class, drop your weight, feel for where your breath is, and open your eyes to that which is in front of you. It's so easy to spend our time somewhere else, in the past, in the future, and unaware of our breath, weight, or even our company. Tai Chi can help us come back. It disconnects us from other stuff. It cuts us off temporarily from the distractions, often the nonsense of daily life. Doing it for a short while and concentrating on physical and respiratory coordination also means that when the class is over and we return to the world of dust and distraction, we do so with a greater clarity and calmness with which to tackle the stresses and strains of contemporary living. So the benefits are not confined solely to the classroom, nor the exercise, nor the moments of piped music and wafts of incense. They must be carried out into the world outside. Some classes of Tai Chi engage in specific meditation exercises. Some use guided visualizations. Some just focus on Qigong. Others transmit a sense of continuous tranquility and meditation throughout the class. If this element is fundamental for your practice and you are thinking of beginning a class, then go and watch some sessions before deciding which is right for you. For you will know when you have found a good one. Watch a good performance of the form and you too will feel calmer and re-energized. Imagine how you'll feel when you're doing it. But meditation is only part of the practice. As with all elements of practice, it will seek its own natural balance. Try to restrain yourself from exploring astral projection during push hands. Try to restrain from chanting during Qigong or levitating during the register call. These things only distract others. They alert passers-by as to the subversive techniques being taught and feed into the popular myth that Tai Chi practitioners originate from another galaxy. If you do find someone floating about in the class, I find a quick jab with a Tai Chi sword to the thigh brings them back down to earth pretty quickly. So, is it possible to learn Tai Chi and not practice meditation? Well, in the stricter, more stereotypical use of the word, yes. But in the broader definition of developing awareness and quietening the mind, then no. The two are the same. Obviously, meditation techniques vary from practice to practice, culture to culture, and religion to religion. But then again, so too does Tai Chi. Well, that's it for this week. Next week, a surprise episode. Listen in and find out a little bit more about the background to all of this. And should you find yourself astrally flying over the southern Mediterranean coast, send me a tweet or an email and I'll remind you when to come back down to earth for next week's important episode. Looking to discover what Tai Chi can do for you, or curious and would like to know a little more? Well, just come over to 21stcenturytaichi.com. Look for the link in the show notes. There's short introductory courses, breathing, health, Tai Chi form, sword, philosophy applications and more, plus books, PDFs and great videos and even music. Got a question? Track me down on social media as the Teapot Monk. Thanks for listening.